Hello and welcome back to my channel Info at Japan. Today's update is about Haguki Plus commercial, where Lion Corporation announced on the 3rd that it would stop airing the new commercial Sistema Hakugi Plus Premium, which had been airing since September 1, after it was pointed out that the sound effect at the beginning of the commercial sounds like an emergency warning sound. There are different opinions on the internet. So, in response to this, Lion's official website announces that it would stop airing that commercial. We have received criticism that the sound effect at the beginning of this ad, which has been airing since September 1, sounds like an emergency warning sound, and it is uneasy and unpleasant to the customers. We take this criticism seriously and will stop airing the commercial in question. They also stated, "We plan to resume airing the commercial after correcting the parts the customers pointed out. We appreciate the understanding." In response to the interview with Encount, the company's representative said, "There are several versions of the commercial, but the sound effect at the beginning you pointed out, it sounds like an emergency warning. So we take this criticism seriously and will cancel the airing of this commercial." So that's all for now. Keep watching my channel. Thank you and goodbye.